in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for Avon Point to Ripley, New York, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, marine weather spotters reported a waterspout 2 miles north of Ashtabula Harbor. Doppler radar indicated a line of clouds capable of producing waterspouts from 21 nautical miles north of Erie to 14 nautical miles west of Fairport Harbor, or from 13 nautical miles southeast of Long Point to 13 nautical miles northwest of Willowick, moving southeast at 10 knots. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Ashtabula. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.
A short-term forecast for the fall.